Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we're going to try to install um, SpiceyPy or SpiceyPy version 1.0.0, but there is an error that occurred in the earlier attempt in order to install this library. It says setup.py egg underscore info did not run successfully. So if you're going to um, check the reason, so the setup.py might not be installed. Okay, so this is because it says here it's not a recognized command, so the computer is not able to read it. Maybe the library is not yet installed, so I have to install um, setup.py spice I mean, yeah, this one. Okay, so how do you deal with that? You deal with that by copying this one, and then because it says here setup py.client 2.1.0 is a utility to generate a simple setup.py file. Alright, so that's what we need, and we have to um, install it first here. So make sure to install setup.py. So don't worry, this code is in the description box, so make sure guys that you visit the description box so you can get all the right codes that is needed to set up your Pi environment. Alright, so we now go here and we try to cut and copy paste it here, then hit enter, and hopefully there's no error, so we can proceed with um, installing SpiceyPy. So it says here click 8. Okay, so we're running on click 7, but we need click 8, so we need click 8. So we go here and find uh, the latest version, then install this first. So again, I'm gonna change this, and then make sure that click version, alright, is updated. Okay, so because this is the first time that I'm trying to set up this SpiceyPy, so I'm actually having problems. Okay, and then we'll go back to that later on. Then so the problem with Python is that you have to follow the path in order to um, make sure that you have the right Python environment, and else your Python code will not work properly. Okay, so it's installed properly. There's the next is set this up. Alright, so let's just make sure that we have uh-huh and then paste it here. Okay. And then the last code that we need to make sure that we have followed is this one. Pip install SpiceyPy. Okay, and we go here, and then hopefully we hope that nothing goes wrong. And there you go. No error. So all you have to do is follow those procedures if you want to set up spicy pie in order for you to create or be able to make use of the uh, library, or yeah, to make planetary simulations. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Hit the bell icon so that you get updated every time we upload new tutorials here in the university.